Hi my friends! I'm gonna cook ground beef today. I have to wait because the oil will come out, and then I have to saute it with garlic and onions. It will come out, the oil. That's the one I'm gonna use. Here is my oyster sauce I have to put in my ground beef. And I will put a little fish sauce. Here is the fish sauce. Almost ready. Let's eat. I put sweet yam. This one is the sweet yam. Because I don't have any potatoes and I don't have any carrots. So, sweet yam will do. Almost done, my friends. Here is my ground beef. I sauteed it with onions, garlic, and I put some sweet yam. Okay. Bye-bye for now. My food is ready. Let's eat.